Guys, you see ba, me I no be MP player but guy nobody fit beat me 1v1 shotgun for MP match. Aje, like I no dey talk am say I dey brag or say I dey make mouth. I just like wetin I dey talk now na real fast. Nobody fit beat me 1v1 shotgun for MP. In fact, watch this video if you doubt am, because I know say some of una don dey doubt am already. Make una watch this video, make una confirm my this thing, make una dey confirm my openness. Oya now, make we go.
Lost the lead.
Bro don dey camp for me, guy. Bro dey camp for me, but me, even if say you dey camp, I go stick by you. Who you be? I dey fear you.
Taking the lead. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Lost the lead. Enemy shield turret deployed.
My bro don rush go carry desperado class. He don see say me I be OP normally, no be cho. But me, whether you carry desperado or not, I go still win. Me I be OP normally, I go still win am. I know say this guy no go win me. Who? I no get thought. Make I just dey watch. I no wan talk too much. OP don talk too much. You get. Ta, I don win joor. See me, I be OP. Upon say my phone dey lag o. Upon say my phone dey lag, I still win. I too good. Una fit this my first clip where I use carry sniper kill that guy. Una fit. Oh, na I too good, bro. I too good. Who dares to challenge me?